Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing the highly anticipated Google Pixel 8 series that is expected to challenge Apple and Samsung's dominance in the smartphone market.
Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro colors. The Pixel 8 comes in 3 colors, rose, obsidian, and hazel, while the Pixel 8 Pro comes in 3 colors, obsidian, porcelain, and bay.
Top 10 features of Google Pixel 8 series. The Pixel 8 series is packed with features that make it stand out from other smartphones in the market. Here are the top 10 features of the Pixel 8 series. Best Take and Magic Editor. Zoom Enhance. Night Sight for videos. Video Boost. Audio Magic Eraser. Google Assistant with Bard. 7 years of software support. Temperature Sensor. Tensor G3 Processor. 1 TB storage option.
Pixel 8 Pro Camera Review. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to have an impressive camera setup with features such as night sight for videos and video boost. Let's take a closer look at the camera performance of the Pixel 8 Pro.
Pixel 8 versus Apple and Samsung. How does the Pixel 8 series compare with Apple and Samsung's latest offerings? Let's find out by comparing the differences in features, performance, camera quality, and more.
Pixel 8 series launch event. Google has released a teaser video for the Pixel 8 series launch event on October 4th. Let's discuss our expectations from the launch event, and what we hope to see from the new smartphones.
The prices for the Google Pixel 8 series are as follows. Google Pixel 8, 128GB $699. Google Pixel 8 Pro, 128GB $999. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Google Pixel 8 series. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching. Mentioned all the links below.